Today we are going to be looking at natural life forms. If you look closely, each strand of grass is its own story. Let's take this one. Look at this piece of grass. This piece of grass has existed for a long time, probably. It's probably existed for years. And every year, it gets shorter. By the humans mowing it and animals eating it. But there are also bigger plants that are out here. Like, look at these leaves. That's already bigger than one. And sometimes you can see even animals here. But they're really hard to get to. Just to comprehend how many strands of grass there are, this is how many. And that is a walk. We went from all the way up there to all the way over here. Now, animals would be harder to spot. Like, look at these chickens. They're such majestic critters. Look at how majestic they are. And some will even let you pet them. Some animals like to hide, like some very miniature ones, like these ants. Ants are everywhere. You're probably looking at thousands of them on the screen, but they're just so tiny. There are some sneaky spots. Some animals could hide. Over there is the majestic. It is your average household cat roaming the bushes. As soon as they've left your sight, it's hard to spot them again. With how much there is to go through. see if we can find the habitat of the cat. There it is. The majestic creature. The majestic creature roams without any hesitation. And there are also many more animals and plants, and even mushrooms to discover.